Some exciting racing tonight at Kicker Arenacross in Greensboro, North Carolina, and a series sponsor in each and every Kicker Arenacross event is zMAX. Earlier, Chris and Beat caught up with the sponsor.
Business Development Manager for zMAX, Ed Fennell, is here with me in Greensboro. Now, Ed, zMAX has a history of being involved in motorsports. What brought you guys to the Kicker Arenacross series?
For us, it was to be able to go ahead and get in touch with the privateers, the grassroots market. That's really where we want to go with our products. Be able to deliver the same technology the pros have down to the privateer level.
Now, you're talking about privateers, you're talking about these grassroots riders. Those are my favorite to talk to during the day. And we actually have Nathan, who's going to show us how some of these products work.
Yeah, Nathan's going to show you how the silicone sprayer works, which helps with keeping mud and grease and everything else off the plastics, as well as restore the plastics back to new after a race.
So let's check that out.
All you do is just spray it on the plastic. It works great. And then after the moto, you wipe the dirt away. It's ready to spray again, and it's ready for the next moto.